In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to clean the filters on the Shark Anti-Hair Wrap Cordless Vacuum. To avoid dirt and bacteria build-up, we recommend cleaning the pre-motor filters at least once a month and the post-motor filter at least once a year. Firstly, remove the dust cup by pressing the release button and tilting the dust cup away from the vacuum body. Next, pull the felt and foam filters away from the dust cup. Then, pull the post-motor filter away from the vacuum body. Rinse all of the filters under the tap. It is important to not use soap when cleaning the filters. Additionally, whilst all of the filters are removed, we recommend cleaning the dust cup. Allow 24 hours to dry before refitting the filters to prevent liquid being drawn into the electrical parts. Push the post-motor filter back into position on the vacuum body. Then, insert the foam filter, followed by the felt filter. Finally, slot the dust cup back onto the vacuum body. A click will be heard when it's correctly fitted. Your Shark vacuum is now ready to use.